Hi viewers, welcome to our balcony bonanza, where we will turn your outdoor space into a retreat fit for royalty, or at least a very pampered squirrels. I am here to show you how to sprinkle some magic onto your balcony. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk comfort. A balcony without cozy nooks is like a sandwich without a filling. It's just not the same. Add some comfy seatings, throw in a few cushions, and voila, you have got yourself a nap worthy nook. Now, your balcony is just a space, it's a relaxation station. Trust me, these squirrels are going to be an envious of your new hangout spot. Now, let's talk foliage. A balcony without plants is like a cake without frosting. It's just not as sweet. Being an assortments of spotted plants go wild, they are purify the air, boost your mood, and hey, you won't mind it if you talk to them. They are great listeners. Remember, a green balcony is a happy balcony. Plus, it's like having your own Manchurian jungle safari right at home. Now let's add some magic. Fairy lights and whimsical decor can transform your balcony into a fairy tale wonderland. It's like inviting Twinkle Bell over for a soiring. Watch as these twinkling lights turn your space into a magical realm fit of your both princesses and misguiding garden gnomes. Lastly, let's talk practically. Balconies are not just of layers, they are for multi-purpose marvels. Invest in foldable furniture and clever storage solutions. It's like a balcony with the built-in magic trick. Now you have space for yoga, a tea party, or even a more dance off. And the best part, everything packs neatly away when the party is over. There you have a fox with a little imagination and time.